fans, the leaderboard, 326.41, 326.41. Here he is, Brad Dieter, pulling the lead. Brad Dieter right now, your new Superstock Diesel points leader right now in the 2013 NHRDA Sled Pulling National Championship standings in the Superstock Diesel class. We don't believe Susan Ingram's here this evening. We don't see her here. Uh-oh, the hot dogs are done. Gonna try and reignite it if you can. And tow tractor, please, tow tractor. Oh, they can't get your little cow down and get him out of the hole. The old cow can't pull the Cummins. Look here, we're going to get some horsepower on it. All right, here we go again. Roll him up out of the hole. And they got him. Give a round of applause, man. You betcha. You talk about teamwork. Right there it is. Wouldn't have had the little guy that had never got him out there. Kenny Crowder, Attica, Indiana on the other end of the track right now. The Shiny Diesel truck. Shiny Diesel, of course, one of our sponsors. Thank you very much.